I just applied the PRX-T33 treatment on my skin. This is also known as the No Peel Peel. I'm kind of showing you side to side. I cannot believe how much my skin is already glowing, and the tone and texture just already looks better. This should not give you any downtime. That's what's so fantastic about it. It's meant to be done weekly for 4 sessions. So you can just dedicate a month to glowing the entire time. It does come with post-treatment home care so that your regimen is set. They do leave you with these amazing cards with everything perfectly explained, they or me, whomever is doing your treatment. But I just wanted to walk you through, what it will do for you the next couple days. So I'm gonna snap some photos as I move through the weekend. I'm pretty excited to go into the weekend feeling good about my skin. But I also wanted to let you know that this actually has a protocol to be done with microneedling for stretch marks or just scarring. It's great over the face, the neck, and the chest particularly, but if you have that sagging skin, especially just due to loss of breast tissue over this area, it can be done in that area as well. So I thought that was pretty great. So I'm gonna let you know what it looks like for the next couple of days and just kind of give you a conclusion at the end of this video. And if you find this content valuable, give it a thumbs up and share it with somebody you know. Okay, this is night 1 after my PRX-33 peel, and honestly, my skin still looks awesome. It feels really nice and smooth. So when you do this chemical peel or the peel not peel, you get sent home with these 2 products. So we won't need till tomorrow. I just rinsed my skin with some cold water. So this is the moisturizing cream, and I'm just gonna pop it open. Lots of info, and then the product itself. So this is part of your package. So I'm just taking the top off, super fresh. And it does say to use not the size of a pea, but actually the size of like a thumbprint. So I guess it depends on whose thumb that would be, but I'm gonna use a generous amount. And that way my skin barrier just really stays intact and healthy, and that way hopefully tomorrow and for the rest of the weekend my skin will look really nice and hydrated. As I understand it, it'll feel nice and taut tomorrow. It does kind of feel that way right now, so I'll keep you posted. Good morning, this is the day after. I did work out this morning. I took a bar class. I did not take a heated class, and I did not go in the sauna. I also did not go outside and run in the sunshine. So I did my best as far as being compliant, but I'm never 100% compliant. So I'm just sharing with you what I did today so you can see what it looks like. I'm not having any flaking or peeling, and my skin feels a little bit tight. I did just apply this moisturizing cream after my shower. And next I'm gonna put on this Elta MD UV Physical Broad Spectrum 41. This is one of my favorite sunscreens to use when I know that I've had a treatment done. I don't use this at the beach because it's not reef safe, FYI. It is tinted, and I do like that about it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some on my hand. This is what it looks like. Whoops, lost some. And just kind of work it into your fingertips if you use this. It's a physical block, so that's really nice because you're not putting any chemicals on your face. And I like that. It is super effective. It is water resistant, which is nice. I will be wearing makeup tonight, so I'll just snap a quick picture with makeup over top, and then I'll show you what the protocol is for the evening. All right, catch you then. All right, this is the evening protocol post-treatment. So now I am reaching for the facial smoothing fluid, which I totally thought was cleanser and absolutely is not. This is a glycolic-based product, so I'm unboxing it right now. Open it up. Information, always information, and the product itself. I'm gonna use 2 pumps of this. Pumps out real easily over my entire face. Wait 30 minutes and then apply the moisturizer on top and go to bed. So that's what I'm gonna be doing in the evening. Post-treatment is for 7 days, and then after that I can go back to my normal routine, and that's when I will catch you to conclude the whole process. All right, I'm on the other side of my PRX treatment, and I have to say I'm really happy with how my skin looks and feels. I didn't have any flaking or peeling. I do think it helped. I had a couple blemishes that were starting to come to the surface, and I feel like it just kind of like handled that really, really fast. I did notice that I got a little hormonal blemish and then maybe like a little something just from all the hydrating. But other than that, my skin feels great. It looks great. When I do wear makeup, I don't have makeup on right now, but other than mascara, and I filled in my brows, but really, truly like nothing else is on my face. So when I do put makeup on, I feel like I can really create a flawless look, even though it's all an illusion. And that's kind of the point of this channel, is everything's an illusion, but let's do everything we can to feel really good about ourselves. So this is a treatment that I really liked because there wasn't any downtime. As I mentioned before, it's meant to be done every week for 4 weeks, and there is a protocol to do it with microneedling, so I'm gonna try that next, and I'll keep you posted on what I find out about it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time.